Hello, this is your assignment on the programming that is due this week. Go into your to-do list, and here it is, the Chapter 10 IT Sim Program Development. Go ahead and click on Start. And we will get started here. So the whole idea here is to go to Start, and this is the background, and as soon as you go through this, it'll give you an idea. The idea is it's a game, bizzbuzz, where if it's divisible by 3, you say biz, and if it's divisible by 5, you say buzz or print buzz, and if it's divisible by 3 or 5, then you say bizzbuzz. And if it's a regular number, you just say that number. So the way it goes is 1, 2, biz, 4, buzz, then biz, because it's 6 is divisible by 2. Okay, so you can go through this slowly, or you can go read it when you actually do the homework. Go next, and then this defines the problem that we are trying to do today. Now, you may need to review chapter 10 a little bit to understand the concepts of the flowcharts, pseudocode, and algorithm. Those are the 3 things you really need to kind of understand, and I think it'll help you for the future. We're going to proceed, so we'll go next. Okay, so this is what we need to complete. Okay, and this is how it's going to come up, and we will be doing the homework as we goes on. So the algorithm is a set of steps to solve a problem. This algorithm has been started for you. You need to finish it to be sure that all possible conditions have been tested. Okay, so we're going to be counting from 1 to 100. Test to see if the number is divisible by what or both. Determine whether to display what or to display the number. And now we're going to proceed. Okay, so now we are starting. This is a simulator, and you have 5 tries at it. You may get it all right on the first try, but for your learning process, please try it 5 times. Your highest grade will count. Okay, so the defining the problem in the children's game called bizzbuzz, you count to 100, substituting the word biz for numbers that are multiples of 3 and buzz for multiples of 5. Okay, bottom line, that means if it's divisible by 3 or divisible by 5. For numbers that are multiples of both 3 and 5, they have to be able to divide it by both 3 and 5. You say bizzbuzz and write the program that will play bizzbuzz and display the numbers from 1 to 100 with these rules. Okay, so we're going to start here. Now, the first one says submit after filling in line 2. So we're going to do this one line at a time, all right? So the number is divisible by what or both, okay? So we're going to put in here, the first number is divisible by what? It's 3, 5, or both. Let's say submit. Okay. And then determine whether to print biz, buzz, biz, buzz, or just display the numbers. Just click submit after filling in line 3. So that's what we're going to do here. And we're going to click next to proceed. Okay, so now we're going to create a flowchart. A flowchart maps out the logical process, and in this step, you will finish the flowchart for your algorithm. Fill in the missing processes in the flowchart and click next to proceed. All right, so we're going to click next. And this is where you're going to proceed, and you're going to put in whatever the answers that goes in here, and this is the flowchart. So please start working on this, and good luck.